Once you've become a client of Atlantic Personnel and Tenant Screening, you will be issued credentials to log into your account to be able to order and view background screening reports. To access your report, you will go to our website at www.atlanticscreening.com. On the right-hand side, there's an orange Gateway 2.0 login box. You will log in with your credentials that are provided after your account has been set up. Upon your first login, there are required security settings that will need to be completed before getting into your account. So I'm going to log in. The first screen is going to bring you to account setup. This is asking you to set up your multi-factor authentication code. The code's purpose is to verify that you are you logging into your account, and will test your code every 30 days or if you sign in from a different IP address. There's two different ways to get the code. You can enter your cell phone number for a text message or your email address to receive an email. I'm going to go ahead and set it up with my email. The preferred method is via text message. The text messages do come through quicker. With secure email servers, the emails could be delayed. Just be patient, log in once, as each time you try to log in waiting for the code, a new code is generated and the previous code is invalidated. The next screen is going to be to set up your account security questions. So you're going to choose 3 random questions with 3 random answers. And each answer must be at least 3 characters long. Once the security questions are complete, it's going to test your login verification. So I am just going to hop over to my email here and get my code. And hopefully it comes through quickly. The code is a one-time use code. So once you receive your code either via text message or via email, you can delete that code. You also want to make sure that if you're on a computer you use regularly, that this box is checked for remember this computer. This will block the code from being sent every single time you log in, as long as you're on your computer and not a public computer. So we clicked verify, and now we're into the account. This is the home screen for Atlantic. This is the screen you'll come to now that your security credentials are all set up. The blue toolbar across the top guides you to what you would want to do when you're logging into the account. So to order a report, you're going to click on order. All the products that your account was requested to have set up are going to be listed here. This is completely customizable. We can put products together, we can put positions together, we can create a menu to your needs. So for the demo, we've got just a multi-state criminal search. We're going to click next to get the applicant information into the system. The reference field at the top is a box that you'll use that will print on the report and mirror over onto your invoice in case you need a reference for billing purposes. If it's not needed, you can simply skip the box and go on down to the applicant info. It is important when you're entering the applicant information that the order of the name is correct, the spelling is correct, and the date of birth is correct. Your data entry is going to create the report exactly how you've ordered it and how we're going to research it. So I'm just going to put in a dummy report. Anything with a star or an asterisk is a required field. You You can also add any former names or aliases as well. We're going to click Next. And we're going to add the current address information. There is a zip code table that will automatically populate your city that is editable. So in case it does populate incorrectly, you can still make the changes. We're going to click Next. Since the product is the multi-state criminal search, this is the multi-state criminal search screen. Everything is preset, so all you need to do is click Next. Then the last screen is going to bring you to an order summary. It lists the applicant information with a pencil for editing purposes. The current address can be edited if needed. It's also going to show you what you ordered and then an estimated report total for cost. If everything looks correct and nothing needs to be edited, simply click Complete Order. Your screen will change and it will bring you right into the report. Depending on your product, some may be instant, so you'll be able to view things right away. If anything goes into pending, that just means it's coming to our office for a processor to review or to process for you. This is a demo report, so it's going to complete automatically. This is what we call the report results screen. It'll list your company name and information here, along with the applicant's information, what products you ordered, and what the status is. So this report is now complete. You can scroll to the top and click View. This is what the report would look like completed and printed out. So you have the no reportable records found, and everything is complete. If we click Results, that will take us back to our previous page. And you can also click Print for a hard copy for the file. This is how you will order a report. To find any reports in the system, you'll click Reports. This tab will take you to your pending reports queue. Anything that is still waiting to be completed by Atlantic will record here. Once the report is fully completed, you'll receive an email and the report will move automatically to your completed reports queue. Under this Reports tab, the second button down, Completed Reports, brings you to your completed reports queue, and here is where all of your reports will list and will also house here for 7 years from the date the report is completed. The name is a hyperlink, so you can recall the report by simply double-clicking on the name, and it will bring you right back to the report just on the page we were on previously. And that is how you will find your reports. You can also search at the top by last name, by social security number, and last four of a social security number if you're looking for an older report. If you're looking for a more recent report, the quickest way is going to be clicking on Reports and then Completed Reports. If you ever have any questions, feel free to contact Atlantic at 561-776-1804. Thank you.